Hello everybody, here is a PNB Auto Parts. Today I will recommend a product to you. This is an RS6 C7.5 bumper on a RS6 C7 2012 to 2015 car bumper. Please look at it. First of all, I will recommend you the fog lamp grille. If your original car model don't have the ACC cord, you can choose the false eyes on it. If you don't want it, it can full of eye holding cord fog lamp grille. Another is RS6 grille. Just look at this. You can choose glossy black grille on it. Of course, the license plate can be long or short. Of course, you can also choose the quarter style or the full holding cord grille. Please look at the details of it. The details of the bumper is a perfect fitment. If you want it, please let us know and give us a list of what your original car model is, and we will recommend the best bumper to fit for your car, not only for the Audi but also for the BMW and Mercedes-Benz. Thank you.